Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about parts of intraoral X-ray machine. There are three parts of intraoral X-ray machine. First one is control panel, second is extension arm, and third one is X-ray tube head. We will start with control panel. Control panel consists of on-off switch, and there are different indicators. One is about tube current. In this X-ray machine it is 7 milliampere. Second is tube voltage, it is 70 kVp, and third one is timer. Timer is denoted in form of in the units of second. This is 0.227 seconds. Now this timer can be adjusted. Now in this intraoral X-ray machines, kVp and milliampere is set, whereas timer can be adjusted as per indication whether we are going for radiograph of intraoral periapical radiograph of maxillary teeth or mandibular teeth. Now second part of this X-ray machine is extension arm. Function of this extension arm is to house electrical wires which connect X-ray tube head to the control panel. Second function of this extension arm is to give hold the tube head and give angulation as per indication. Now coming to third part of X-ray machine, that is X-ray tube head. Now this X-ray tube head consists of position indicating device, which is in form of small cylinder, and tube head itself. Generally this tube head is heavy metal housing which contains X-ray tube, which is where actual X-rays are produced. Now these X-rays, once produced from a tube, has to pass through tube head seal. Then collimator, which is made of lead. Now function of collimator is to give size and restrict the size and shape of X-ray beam. Next is filter. Filter is in form of aluminum disc as shown in this. Now function of filter is to absorb high energy X-ray photons which are not useful for image formation. Okay. After that, X-rays come out through this position indicating device for radiographic exposure. Now next thing, for giving angulation, there are certain angulation denoted on this X-ray tube head. Horizontal is 0 degree. When we go for positive vertical angulation, it is generally indicated for maxillary teeth, whereas this is negative angulation indicated for mandibular teeth.